In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Microsoft Word dark mode. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead, open up your Word application. As you can see now, Word is on dark mode. Now if you want to change this, just go ahead, click on File. And after that, just go ahead at the bottom left, click on Account. And just go ahead, click on Office Theme. You can see that it is on black. Just go ahead and choose white. And now Microsoft Word is on white. Or you can go ahead, click on it, and choose System Settings. This is the system setting color. Or if you want to go back to dark mode, just go ahead and click on black. So this was how to enable or disable Microsoft Word dark mode. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.